this is a smooth one, this is a medium surface wala paper. Okay, and yeah, let me fix my camera here. Perfect. Right. Alright, so now starting out with this smooth surface paper, okay, Canson wala, I'm going to again create strokes in the same manner जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया. Okay, so let's suppose that the highlights are actually going to be forming around here. Okay, like putting it down like this. So this is going to be the highlighted zone. Okay, like in the center. यहाँ पे highlights रहेंगे हमारे, and this is going to be the back side of the hair, right? Similarly यहाँ पे also let's just mark down the highlighted zones. And yeah, let's just leave it like that. Okay, अब हमने already बात की है that we have to shade towards the highlights, right? Make sure it's sharp. Okay, so I'm going to use a neutral pencil over here. Okay, a neutral charcoal pencil. It is sharp, and I've already identified the highlights, and now I'm going to shade towards the highlights while making sure that I'm using tapered strokes. Okay, and also going to maintain the continuity over there. Now see here, I'm actually trying to merge these strokes. Okay, now this is a cool practical hair study, and it's actually a bit advanced here. Okay, and I believe that you're already quite good with the drawing skills and all. Okay, so I'm just assuming that you would be able to draw this. Okay, so यहाँ पे okay, even though if you're not able to draw, don't worry, you just need to understand how to actually blend. So here I'm actually trying to merge these strokes together, right? Because we have already talked about this thing, right? Then we need to let the two ends meet. Okay, we need to maintain the continuity. We don't want to have choppy hairs. Okay. So I'm just creating strokes in such a way that's actually merging with the thing, okay? And also making sure that I'm not really jumping into the highlighted zone. Okay, now let's just create the same things over here. Now यहाँ पे again one more thing that I will tell you is that you need to make sure the direction of the hair is right? So this is going to be the main direction of the hair, like this, and it's like going in this way. So yeah, this is actually the hair direction, like this. Okay, so curvy strokes आपको बनाना है यहाँ पे. Okay, don't draw straight strokes. Okay, maintain the curve because we are drawing a curly hair study. Okay, so I've just marked the direction of the hair growth, okay, so that it's easy to understand. On the back side of the hair, there's not going to be a highlight, okay, so we are actually going to make it darker only. But again, I'm just making sure that I'm drawing from two different areas, okay, from the top and the bottom, and making the strokes merge. Okay, so now let's blend the whole thing. Okay, I'm going to use my brush. Okay, let me now quickly follow the same process here as well, and then I'll be showing you what is the difference between both the blending. I mean, what is the difference between smooth versus medium surface के blending में क्या फ़र्क होता है, कौन सा ज़्यादा dark लगता है, and which one is actually lighter. Alright, so now let's blend this one, okay, and you can now see how it blends. Okay, there's a major difference, right? Major difference between both these papers. Okay, major आप क्या देख सकते हो यहाँ पे? It is that this charcoal actually blends so easily on medium surface paper, right? Because of all the tooth that's actually available on the paper, the powder actually goes into all those tiny details. मतलब जो papers के ऊपर जो है ना surface of the paper, it goes into that very easily. That's where you can actually see कि कितने आसानी से बन जाता है, right? That's why I suggest that it's always good to have like a medium surface paper. But yeah, if not, if you're also working on a smooth surface, that's also fine. It's just that you'll have to create more layers, okay, just to get that black effect. Now see what I did here was that मैंने बीच से कुछ strokes को जानबूझ के suddenly बीच से I just put it like that because we had talked about this thing, right? That few strokes actually go in between, okay, just to create that nice effect, okay, just to create like the interesting kind of an effect. अगर आप कुछ hairs को बीच से डाल दोगे, it will look even much better, right? So we are actually following all the same processes here, right? We are shading towards the highlight, we are making sure it's tapered ends, we are working in sections, okay, section by section जा रहे हैं नीचे, and we are shading from top and bottom, right, letting the two ends meet to maintain this continuity, right? We have to make sure that we don't make these mistakes, okay, maintain कि आप ये ना करो, maintain that, okay, and just to re-emphasize on this fact, let me just quickly show it to you. I mean, just tell you that just add lines going through the highlights. Let me just write it down here. ओके सो ये आपको ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, बस कुछ कुछ अगर करोगे तो इट विल बी क्रिएटिंग इंटरेस्टिंग हेयर्स. Now as I go down towards the back side, okay, I am going to shade it a bit darker. Here by the way I am using a soft charcoal pencil only. So this was the front side for the highlighted zone. Now this is the back side जहाँ पे light is not reaching, okay. So I'm gonna make it a bit darker. And just take your time to work on this one, okay. You don't have to rush the process. आराम आराम से काम करो. Okay. Maintain. Now this will also create a very good practice for you, okay. क्योंकि the coming hair studies that we have in this whole course, it will actually build up your confidence to create those. Okay, so take time. Even if the strokes are not really coming out that well in the first practice, it's okay, right? Just practice that. But yeah, it's definitely gonna act like a good practice session for you for the upcoming lessons. And now it's time to blend everything, okay? अब आपको blend कैसे करना है? See, the main topic of this lesson is to blend the hair, okay? Now for blending, you need to make sure that you're following the same direction of the hair growth, okay? I'm not really blending like that, okay? Not really going like that. I'm actually following the same direction in which I shaded, okay? So, you know, I'm actually intentionally not touching here. Whenever I'm shading, I am not entering into the highlighted zone. I'm going to blow it off, right? So that you maintain, you preserve this highlighted zone, okay? अगर आप इसके अंदर पूरा डाल दोगे ना, यू एंड अप क्रिएटिंग द होल एरिया टोटल ब्लैक. हम उसे भी क्रिएट करेंगे, राइट. वी विल बी क्रिएटिंग दैट लिटिल ग्रेइश कलर ओवर देयर, बट दैट्स गोना बी लेटर ऑन, ओके. फिलहाल आपको ऐसे ही शेड करना है, ऐसे ही ब्लेंड करना है. ओके सो नाउ आई एम गोना गो इन बिटवीन एंड दैट टू वेरी रैंडम. बीच बीच से जाएंगे, सारे जोन्स में नहीं जाना है आपको, ओके. लीव दिस हाईलाइटेड जोन एज इट इज, बट समवेयर इन बिटवीन, जस्ट द वे वी एक्चुअली created few hairs that were the lines that were going through the highlight. Similarly we can, you know, go through the highlight with the brush as well, just to create some more interesting strokes over there. Now I'm gonna follow the same process here as well, okay. I'm gonna time lapse the whole thing so that we directly go into the next part where it's gonna be about, you know, creating those highlights. Now see in the back section, you don't have to go to the highlights because there's no highlight actually, okay. This is that part of the hair which is behind, okay. The light is not going to reach over there, so this is going to cast a shadow here, and this is also going to be having a shadow here. So yeah, no highlighted zone over there, but again we don't have to go back and forth. We need to maintain the direction of the hair growth, okay. ऊपर से नीचे से वाला, right. Now it's time to blend this out. Okay, you need to keep blowing off the excess charcoal powder there. You can switch to a smaller brush as well. Okay, make sure कि आपने जो भी lines draw की थी with the pencils, you are smudging that, you are blending that, okay. And see, we're actually preserving the highlight there. Alright, so now we can clearly see the main difference between the two. Okay, on medium surface charcoal actually works very well. It just smudges very beautifully. काफी अच्छे से easily blend हो जाता है because of the texture that's available on the paper. Here on smooth surface we have to do multiple layering and all, and the strokes are much crisper here. Okay, here the strokes might feel a bit blunt because of the texture. Here strokes are crisper, बट थोड़ा सा आपको ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ेगा. इट्स लाइक आपको लेयरिंग ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा टू गेट द डार्केस्ट इफेक्ट्स, राइट? सो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी गोना सी हाउ टू यूज दैट मैजिकल टूल to create hair in a very 3D sort of way. Alright, so let's go and see that.